African National Congress appoints Jeff Hadebe to lead reconfigured KwaZulu-Natal task team. The African National Congress has announced a new 67-member KwaZulu-Natal provincial task team, with ANC veteran Jeff Hadebe appointed as a convener and Mike Mabuyakulu as a coordinator. This move follows the ANC's National Executive Committee decision to dissolve the Provincial Executive Committee (PEC) and restructure leadership in KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng. The reconfiguration comes after the ANC suffered a historic electoral defeat in KwaZulu-Natal, securing only 17.2% of the vote in last year's elections, relegating the party to third place. The ANC is now part of a coalition government led by the Inkatha Freedom Party (IFP) in the province. The restructuring has significantly impacted former provincial leader Siboniso Duma, who previously served as a provincial chair, has been demoted to second deputy coordinator. Meanwhile, former provincial secretary Peggy Mtolo has been removed from top leadership and resigned to oversee policy monitoring and evaluation. However, ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula confirmed that Mtolo would remain a full-time ANC employee until the completion of his elected term. Explaining the rationale behind the PEC's dissolution, Mbalula stressed the importance of KwaZulu-Natal in the country's political and economic landscape. He said the reconfiguration of the provincial leadership is a decisive intervention to reinforce our structures, renew the movement, and consolidate our presence in a province that plays a crucial role in South Africa's political and economic trajectory. He further noted that KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng, the two most populous and economically significant provinces, required experienced leadership to restore political education, organizational discipline, and grassroots mobilization. He said after rigorous debate, the ANC resolved that decisive action was imperative. A passive approach was not an option. The newly established PTT has been tasked with establishing the ANC in KwaZulu-Natal, reviving political education, and strengthening grassroots structures. Additionally, the team will work to rebuild relationships with Amakosi, faith-based communities, and Amabandla, recognizing their historical role in the ANC's evolution. Key appointments in the task team: several leaders have been appointed to oversee specific portfolios within the task team. Weziwe Thusi, First Deputy Provincial Convener, Nomisa Dube Ncube, Provincial Deputy Coordinator, Nomagugu Simelane, Provincial Fundraiser, Hlakanipho Ntombela, Campaign Convener, Amanda Bani, Communication, Information and Public Convener, Zinhle Cele, Arts and Culture, Minile Soma, Gender and Equality, Kwazim Shengu, Political Education, Jomo Sibia, Local Government Interventions, Sibongile Dlomo, Education and Health. With the 2024 elections on the horizon, the ANC's restructuring efforts in KwaZulu-Natal reflect a broader strategy to regain political ground and reassert influence in a province where its support has declined. The success of the intervention will likely shape the ANC's future trajectory in both KwaZulu-Natal and the country as a whole. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.